First, I want you to watch this video. Just look at this. Wow, the character looks absolutely amazing. The motion is smooth, the animation quality is clean. Everything feels professional and cinematic. Now today, I'm going to show you how to create this type of video using completely free tools. First step, go to YouTube, search for the channel name, Atomic Buck. Now open the channel, go to the Shorts section, click on Popular. You'll see around 10 to 12 uploaded videos, and almost every video is trending. Look at the character quality, look at the smooth motion, the animation is clean, the visuals are clear and sharp. Now pause the video. Take screenshots of the characters for reference. Done? Great. Now let's move to the next step. Got it. Here's your script, rewritten in clean, powerful, energetic YouTube tutorial style. Now open ChatGPT, upload the screenshot, and write this. I want to create this type of video. Give me prompts in 3D Pixar style. Make sure the character stays the same in every image. Then press enter. Wait. And boom! You'll see 5 to 6 professional prompts ready, including a master character prompt for consistency. Now listen carefully. Check all the prompts properly. Make sure everything looks good. Next step, copy the master character prompt first. This is very important for keeping the same character. Then move to your text-to-image AI tool. Paste the full prompt. And let's go! Perfect. Here is your script rewritten in clean, high-energy, professional YouTube tutorial style. Now go to the website Piclumen. Piclumen gives you 10 free credits daily. That means you can create 10 images every single day for free. Now click on the Create option. First, upload the master character prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, come back to Piclumen and paste it. Now, very important, select the ratio to 9:16, Shorts format. Everything ready? Click Generate. Now wait, and boom! Your first image is ready. Just look at that. Wow! Classic cinematic quality. Now let's move to the second one. Again, paste the master character prompt. Copy the second prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Piclumen. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. And amazing second image is ready. Now repeat the same process. Copy third prompt, paste, generate, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth. Wait. Now check all images carefully, one by one. Look at the character quality. Look at the consistency. The level of detail is so good. The character looks smooth and cinematic. Everything looks professional. Now download your favorite scenes and get ready for the next important step. First, we created our high-quality Pixar-style images. Now it's time to turn them into animated videos. So open your browser and go to the website Pixaverse. Trust me, this website is next level. Pixaverse gives you 90 free credits every single day. That means you can create multiple AI animated videos daily without paying anything. Now click on Login and sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're inside, don't rush. First, explore the platform. Go to the homepage and start watching the featured videos. Look at the first video carefully. See the character movement, the facial expressions, the lighting, the smooth animation. Now open the second video. And the third, scroll down and check more uploads. You'll notice something very important. The animation quality is extremely smooth. The characters feel alive. The motion is clean and cinematic. This means the platform is powerful enough to create professional-level content. Now, it's creation time. Go to the video section. Click on Create Video. Now upload your first Pixar-style image that we generated earlier. Wait for it to fully upload. Select the image. Click Confirm. Next step, very important. Choose the correct aspect ratio. Select 9:16 because we are creating YouTube Shorts. Now you'll see the prompt box. Here you need to describe what the character should do. For example, the deer looks surprised and talks to the camera. The character turns head slowly and smiles. The character explains survival tip with hand movement. Keep the motion simple and natural. Now once your prompt is ready, click Create. It usually costs around 30 credits and generates about a 5-second video clip. Now wait patiently. Rendering may take a minute. And then, BAM! Your first animated video is ready. Now watch it carefully. Check. Character consistency, facial expression, body movement, smoothness. If everything looks good, click download. Now repeat the same process for the second image. Upload image, confirm, select 9:16 ratio, write a slightly different motion prompt, click create, wait, and boom, second video ready. Download it. Now repeat again for third image, then fourth, then fifth, and sixth. Each time, keep the character consistent, change small actions or expressions, make every clip unique. Once all videos are generated, download every single clip. Now move to the final step. Open CapCut, create a new project, import all the video clips, arrange them in order, make sure transitions are smooth. If you see a watermark or logo on top, use the scale tool to zoom slightly and crop it out. Now add light background music, simple subtitles, smooth transitions, small sound effects, preview the full video, and you'll see. It looks like a professional animated short film. Smooth character movement, consistent Pixar-style quality, cinematic feel. Now export in high quality, and your AI animated YouTube Shorts video is ready. Subscribe my channel Smart Tech Studio. See you next video. Goodbye.